as the Taliban takes over Kabul and imposes an interim government in the war-torn country. The ex-president, that is Ashraf Ghani, has released a statement after reportedly fleeing to Tajikistan along with several other top leaders. Some other leaders are proposed to be going to US and some to Pakistan. But this is the statement which has been released by his Facebook account. Today I came across a hard choice. I should stand to face the armed Taliban who want to enter the palace or leave the dear country that I dedicated my life to protecting for the past 20 years. If there were still countless countrymen martyred, they would face the destruction and the destruction of Kabul city, and the result of which would be a big human disaster. The Taliban have made it to remove me, and they are here to attack all of Kabul and the people of Kabul. In order to avoid the bleeding conflict, I thought it was best to get out. He goes on to say that Taliban has won the judgment of swords and guns and are now responsible for protecting the countrymen's honor, wealth and self-esteem. They didn't win the legitimacy of the hearts of the people. Never in the history has dry power given legitimacy to anyone and won't give it to them. They are now facing a new historical test. Either they will protect the name and honor of Afghanistan, or they will prioritize other things and networks. It is necessary for Taliban to assure the people, nations and different citizens of Afghanistan to win their legitimacy and make a clear plan to do it and to share it with the public. I will always continue to serve my nation with an intellectual capacity and a plan to develop the nation. We will talk more in the future. Long live Afghanistan. This is what the ex-president Ashraf Ghani has released on Facebook after resigning as the president of as the president of Afghanistan. The other top leaders, that is Abdullah and ex-president Hamid Karzai, are still in Afghanistan holding talks for a peaceful transition to the terror group. Back to you.
All right, we're going to be tracking all the developments there very closely, and statements there being issued by Ashraf Ghani. We're also going to understand that another statement has been issued by the United States, a joint statement by the United States Defense Department and the Pentagon. And remember that the United States in its statement said that they will be expanding the security presence in Afghanistan, and they will be deploying 6,000 troops in the next 48 hours. We have to see how the situation pans out to be as citizens and Afghan nationals are evacuated from Afghan soil.